Kumar Mangalam Birla's Aditya Birla Group has pulled out of the race for an Australian-listed firm, Northern Iron. What transpired? Let's find out from ET Now's Nisha Poddar, who joins us with exclusive details. Nisha, this was a heated three-way race. Why has Aditya Birla Group pulled out?
That's right, Sandeep. It was considered to be a fiercely fought battle for this particular company, Northern Iron, for its mining assets in Norway, and we were expecting that both Prominvest as well as Aditya Birla Group will be bidding and counter-bidding and will be upping their stakes and upping their bids for the company. But then it is really an anticlimax. And what really happened is that about a few months back, both the companies were given exclusive rights to go ahead and do the due diligence and study the projects. And what SL Mining, Aditya Birla Group company, which is already into iron ore mining and trading, it has found that this company does not have a very consistent production mechanism, and that is something because of which their cost implications could be high. My sources in Aditya Birla Group do tell me that at the moment it is a cooling off period for them. Yes, they have pulled out, but in future, if they see that Northern Iron is expected to perform better, then they may get back on the deal. But what it says at the moment is that Northern Iron, which is an Australia-listed company, overall, we know that the mining scenario and mining deals have not been happening. They've really come to a halt at the moment. And remember, the chase for coal mines as well as other mining assets by Indian companies in Australia have really not shown any results. We've seen GMR, we have seen GVK, we have seen Lanco. So all of them are really suffering for equity investments. And for Aditya Birla Group, which is well positioned at this point, which has a lot of cash, is not making any mistakes which probably other promoters may have made in the past. So it is being very cautious. It has let go of Coal of Africa some time back, and now Northern Iron is the next one which they are not going ahead with because of the concerns about the production on the company.